The brain, the human command center. The brain is the most complex organ in the human body, acting as the ultimate control room. It is more than just tissue. It is a biological supercomputer that manages millions of tasks simultaneously. What is the brain and how does it work? Think of the brain as the central processing unit, CPU, of your body. Its mechanism relies on a network of neurons. The brain consists of billions of tiny cells called neurons. They communicate using electrical impulses and chemical signals. Information input. Our five senses, sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell, gather data from the world and send it to the brain. Processing. The brain analyzes this data, compares it with past memories, and decides how to react. Motor output. Once a decision is made, the brain sends instructions through the nerves to the muscles, causing us to move or speak. What happens when the brain stops working? If the brain ceases to function or suffers severe damage, the human condition changes drastically. 1. Brain death. This is a state where the brain permanently stops functioning. The person becomes dependent on machines, like ventilators, even for basic breathing. 2. Coma. If the conscious part of the brain is affected, the person enters a deep sleep-like state. They are alive but have no awareness of their surroundings. 3. Vegetative state. In this state, a person might open their eyes or have sleep-wake cycles, but the human capacity to think, feel emotions, or respond to the world is lost. They remain a living body without consciousness. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. The cerebrum is the largest, most powerful, and most significant part of the human brain. It is the center of intelligence, memory, and personality. Detailed structure. 1. The hemispheres. The cerebrum is divided into two halves. Left hemisphere controls language, logic, and mathematics. Right hemisphere controls creativity, visual recognition, and emotions. Note: the left side of the brain controls the right side of the body, and vice versa. 2. Cerebral cortex, outer layer. This is the gray matter. It contains billions of neurons and is the primary area responsible for actual thinking and processing. 3. White matter, inner layer, acts like the wiring of the brain, connecting different parts of the cerebrum to each other. 4. The four lobes: frontal lobe, decision-making, personality, and movement. Parietal lobe, sensory information, touch, pain, temperature. Temporal lobe, hearing and memory. Occipital lobe, vision and sight processing. Key functions: consciousness, the awareness that you exist. Learning, the ability to acquire new skills and gain experience. Language, speaking, writing, and understanding